guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're doing something that I've been meaning to do for literally forever, and we're installing the OLM Carbon Fiber Duckbill. This thing is looking absolutely amazing. It's incredibly high quality, it's super light, and yeah, it's looking absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to get this thing on the car. So I'm going to walk you guys through everything you need to know about installing this, and then I'm going to do some beauty shots and show you guys what it looks like on a white 2015 plus Subaru WRX. And guys, before we get started installing this OLM Carbon Fiber Duckbill, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel and you want to see more modifications to 2015 Subaru WRXs and more just Subaru general WRX content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into it. First thing you need to do is open your trunk, obviously. To get the OEM lip off, we're actually going to take this backing plate out, and we need to remove the pop clips that you can see around, like here, here, here. You guys get the picture. We're going to start doing that, and then that will be the first step on getting the OEM lip off the car. Last thing holding in the OEM front lip is an 8mm bolt there, and a corresponding 8mm bolt right there, and then it's just clips. So we're going to take the 8mm bolts out now. So we're essentially done inside, and then basically there's just clips. So I popped out these ones, and you just grab and you're gonna pull, and we're out. The next step is going to be just to clean up the working area so we can get good adhesion with the 3M tape. And I'm not spraying directly on because I do have an exposed inner trunk right now with these holes. I'm actually gonna put, because we don't have a gasket anymore, I'm gonna put a little bit of 3M tape over each section, or just a little bit of electrical tape over each section, just to add some water tightness. I'm gonna take a small piece of clay bar here, spray the lubricant on my finger, and I'm gonna clay bar it as well. So what I'm gonna do here, and this is actually, I think this is gonna be the better way to do it, it's a little bit unusual. I've got some sample wrap here, sample vinyl wrap. You could use tape, but I'm just going to take a piece of sample vinyl wrap and cover each of these so it's easier to remove than traditional tape. We're going to apply the 3M tape. Because I'm not reusing the screws, I went kind of ham on the double-sided tape. As you can see, I basically did the exterior sides so I could get a good bond, and then in the middle where I think that the center is actually going to touch. And this is going to be an absolute awful mess to get off when I need to take it off, but we'll deal with that later. So I'm going to take all the backing off this tape, and then we're going to get this pressed. I highly recommend doing this step with another person, just so you can have it lined up. Run. And there we have it. It's installed. I'm going to roll some beauty shots shortly here. A few things to note as you're pressing this in. Push, 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 push. Push this like crazy so you can get that bonding with the 3M tape. What I did find, and what was difficult, is I put it in a couple times and I tried to lightly press it in by fitting the corners. That didn't work. I fit the back side in the corners first time. Didn't work. What you've got to actually do is get the top side down here and make sure that's bonded, and then push the rest in. Ended up working, saved me a ton of time. Well, it didn't save me time because I tried everything, but now it's in there, all the tape is stuck, and yeah, this thing looks pretty mean. So I'm pretty pleased with it. I'd say like a solid 3 out of 10 on the install. It gets that 3 only because the sticking was hard. Otherwise, it would have been a 1 out of 10. So super easy mod. I think it looks pretty sweet, but let's roll some B-roll.